Did you know that in scientific terminology, for people who are shopaholics classify under a condition called compulsive shopping disorder? If you feel like you could be part of that and have made unnecessary clothing purchases in the past, stick till the end, because in this video, I'll guide you on how to make your money back. Yep, you heard that right. Not only will you be able to free up some closet space, but also make some of your money back. Exciting, isn't it? However, be mindful of the fact that you won't get wealthy doing this, but will be able to make some nice pocket cash for unused clothes sitting in your closet collecting dust. Now, with all of that being established, let's jump right into the video. Today, we'll be learning about ThredUp and how you can make money with it. But first, what is ThredUp? So, in simple words, ThredUp is an e-commerce platform where the buying and selling of women's secondhand clothing takes place. With the recent boom of the e-commerce industry, online shopping and thrift stores are more popular than ever, and ThredUp takes advantage of just that. With the use of technology and complex marketing tactics, they're able to quickly resell your clothing items at a reasonable price and distribute the sales revenue between you and ThredUp, creating a win-win situation for both. So, can I sell anything on ThredUp? Well, technically, yes, you can. But on average, the company only accepts 40% of items sent their way and has strict terms and conditions for approval. Firstly, if the items have any smells or stains on them, they'll be rejected immediately, so you better wash that red wine-stained sweater before sending it over. Secondly, make sure that whatever you send is gently used and doesn't look like it has been through a war. Any sign of ripping or tearing is a red flag for ThredUp. Since the company will be reselling items, adhering to such conditions is necessary, as they must maintain a certain standard and reputation in the market. But other than that, anything in your closet that seems fresh would work just fine. Okay, so how do you get started with ThredUp? Well, the process of signing up and sending over your first shipment to ThredUp might be a bit complex for some. But no need to worry, as we'll be going over all of the steps in detail, starting with Number 1. Go to ThredUp's official website and click on Clean Out. Here, you'll need to request a clean out kit, but first, sign yourself up. Now, once that is done, from the home page window, head over to Clean Out once again and click on Sell. You can request either a label via email for a boxed shipment or a simple clean out bag. Number 2. Below that, also choose whether you'd like ThredUp to recycle disapproved items or return them to you for a delivery fee of $11. Then, select Standard Processing since it's free and click on Next. Within a few weeks, the clean-out bag will be delivered to your doorstep. Number 3. Now it's time to pack up your items in that bag. Make sure everything is clean and stain-free before finally taping it up. The bag will include a free USPS shipping label on it so that you can just drop it off at the nearest post or FedEx office hassle-free. Once your bag reaches ThredUp, there will be a 3-week processing window, after which you will be notified about the items taken into consideration and put up for sale. Number 5, regarding the payout method, you can cash out your earnings immediately using PayPal or direct deposit through Stripe. However, if you want cash, make sure to withdraw within a year, otherwise your account balance will be converted into a ThredUp gift card. Now, your question might be, realistically, how much should I expect to make? Talking about the money, ThredUp's payout table clearly states that your payout is a percentage of the selling price. So the better and more valuable your items are, they'll come under a higher commission bracket. For example, if your Gucci denim jacket sells for $100 to $200, your commission from that sale will be anywhere from 60 to 80% of that. The same goes for lower-end sales, like an unbranded t-shirt selling for $20 will make you just 5 to 15% in commissions. Are there items that would make more money than others? Yes, that is possible. Items that are in season and trending will go for the best rates, in turn increasing your payout. As of stats from 2020, women's bags were crowned to retain the highest resale value because of their massive demand. And well-reputable brands like Gucci, Michael Kors, and Louis Vuitton contributed to the highest commission payouts on ThreadUp. So if you have a Louis Vuitton handbag lying around useless, having it resold through ThreadUp for $1,000 could easily make you $800 back. Women's formal wear is also known to be a popular moneymaker on the platform. The demand for Madewell, Prada, or Calvin Klein dresses is always high and could be making you anywhere from $70 to $100 per sale. So look at you learning how to make money by selling some used clothing. But if you were really that smart, you wouldn't have bought clothes you'd never wear in the first place, right? Well, don't worry, being smart doesn't come naturally because sometimes a bit of knowledge is all you need. And what better place to obtain knowledge than John McNeil's YouTube channel? So to be the smartest in the room, make sure to subscribe and tune in for more knowledge-packed content. Anyways, that is all for today, guys, and I will see you in the next one soon.